Welcome to PSM, Perfect Solution for Maths. Today we are going to learn arithmetic progression for the class 10th, exercise 1.2 for the KSEEB and exercise 5.2 for the NCERT. The question number 7 and 8 today we will discuss, and the 7th question states that find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. And the 8th question states that an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Both the questions are quite simple and easy, and you can see both have some relation in between. So how to solve that? One by one we will learn. In the 7th question, find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 60th term is 73 they have given. So here what we have to find is the 31st term. 31st term is nothing but A31 we have to find. So but what they have given first? So 11th term is given. 11th term is given means A11 it is. So that is 38. Next one is 16th term is also given. So A16 is given, that is 73. So here the two things are given and you have to find the A31st term. So in this case we have to go through the formula, that is AN only, and we have to write down that first. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now you will ask what we have to do next, because we don't know the value of A. We don't know the value of D. Only this much we know, that is an value we can substitute, that is instead of an I can take what? A11 I can take. Similarly instead of an I can take A16 also, because that two values are given. In such a case, when it is given, the same formula we have to apply, that an is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. But we have to see which terms are given, because they have not given the D value and first term. So that in that time we have to check which term is given, that we have to substitute in this formula. That is, I will continue over here. So A11 now we have to take, because the A11 is given. So A11, that is equals to, same it is A plus N value we know now. What is the N value? When we are taking that A11 means the N value will become what? 11. So now we have to write down 11 minus 1 into D. So A11, directly we can say that A11 is nothing but A plus 10D. We can apply the formula or we can write down directly also. Now we will substitute the value of A11. What is the A11 value? A11 value is nothing but 38. So 38 is equals to A plus 10D. So this is the thing. See here, the A value and D value are not known for us. So we will take this as an equation, that is equation 1. Now similar thing we will do for one more term. Which term it is? That is A16. See here, A16 also known. So A16 we will substitute now. A16 is equals to, so what is A16? Directly you can say that here we have 16, so it is what? A plus 15D. If you don't know that, apply the same thing, that is the formula for over here. So that is nothing but A plus N value, now what it is? 16. So 16 minus 1 into D. So A plus 16 minus 1 is 15 into D. So directly we can write A16 is equal to A plus 15D, or we can substitute in the formula, then we can write down A16 is equal to A plus 15D. So we know that A16 value, what is A16 value? That is 73. So we have to substitute that 73 over here. 73 is equals to what? A plus 15D. So this is our what? Second equation. So because here again we can see A and D are unknown. So we have to take this as what? Second equation. Now what is the next step? So because the first term and second term we got, what about the next step? What we have to do? Nothing we have to do. The first term we have to subtract from the second term. So that is subtract equation 1 from 2, or we can write down directly instead of this equation 2 minus equation 1. So what we got over here, that we will write it down. That is equation 2 over here is 73 is equals to a plus 15d, and next equation 1 is nothing but what, 38 is equals to a plus 10d. So now we have to subtract, we have to do, so here we have to put on line. And one more thing over here, very importantly, now subtraction when we are doing, the sign will change. So here it will become what, minus, because here 38 is a plus, here is plus a, that will become minus a. Here also we can see plus 10, so it will become minus. So here we don't see any symbol, but here we have plus, remember this. So what will happen now next? So 73 minus 38 is nothing but 35, and here a and a get cancelled. So what is left over here? That is 15d minus 10d. In 15d, if you are minusing 10d, you are going to get the 5d. So we got that 35 is equals to 5d. So we have to find the d value. So I will write down here 35 is equals to 5d as it is. What you have to do now? Unknown thing, we have to keep it one side. So d is unknown, we have to keep it there. 35 I have to write as it is, divided by 5, because this 5 when I will shift, it will become division, because in between 5 and d we have into. So 5 ones are 5 sevens are 35. So we got the d value. What is the d value? D value is nothing but what, 7. So this is the required thing. We found the d value, that is 7. Now the next step is we have to find the a value also. How to find the a value? So a value, when you are finding, very important thing you have to see here, the first term or the second term. We have to substitute the d value in equation 1, that is, or equation 2. So we will substitute in equation 1. So substitute d in equation 1. So what is that equation 1? Equation 1 is over here, you can check. That is nothing but 38 is equals to a plus 10d. So 38 I will write down here only, a value I will write down here only, but what is the d value? D value is nothing but 7. So 10 into 7, a plus 10 sevens are 70, that is 38. So we have to keep that a here only. 38 I have to write here only correctly, but this 70 I have to shift. The 70 have the positive symbol, so it will become negative 70. What is 38 minus 70? That is nothing but, the greatest number sign is negative, so negative 70 minus 38 is nothing but 32. That is equals to a value. So we found the a value also, and we found the d value. You may ask why we have to substitute in equation 1? Because we want a value. The first term is very important to find. If we found the a value, then we can find the other terms. So for that purpose, a value is necessary. So substitute this d value in any equation 1 or 2, you will find a value. Now we will move further, because we need here not only a and d value, we want over here, that is a31 we have to find. So how to find a31? I will solve it here. So a31 we have to find. A31 is nothing but a plus 30d. If those who don't know, substitute in this formula an. So a plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d we have, and that is nothing but a plus, the n value is 31 minus 1 into d. So a value is how much? Okay, I will find this first one. A31 is equals to a plus 30 into d. So a31, obviously it will become a plus 30d, because 31 one less of the d. Now very importantly, what it is, the a value already we found, that is a is nothing but minus 32 plus 30 into what is the d value? D value is nothing but, we found already, 7. So minus 32 plus 37s are 31 the table. If you don't know very, we can directly multiply the 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. 1 0 we have, that we can substitute over here. So it is 210. So what is that 210? minus 32, how much it is, that you have to find now. That is nothing but, if you correctly calculate, you are going to get 178, because the 210 is the greatest number having the positive symbol, the plus it is, and then when you are subtracting 210 minus 32, you are going to get, that is 178 as your answer. And this is the final answer you required, that is A31 you found. So it is a simple part, but here one thing you have to remember correctly, that is, if you don't know the value of A and D, you have to find it first, and then you can find which term they have asked to find. So 31st term they have asked, or A31 you have to substitute, and you have to find that answer. Okay, now we will come to the eighth question. In the eighth question, they have given the statement as an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So here one thing is clear, we have to find 29 term is nothing but A29 we have to find. So now second one, what is given? So there it consists of 50 terms. So here how many terms are there in that AP? That is, they have given 50 terms. Okay, that you have to understand. And next one is the third term is 12. The third term is 12 they have given. So third term is A3 is 12 they have given. Okay, next coming to that, last term is 106. Remember here which term they have not mentioned, they have given the last term. So what is that term, which term it is? In the question only they have given the answer for you. The last term they have mentioned, so which is that last term? So clearly if you read once again, an AP consists of 50 terms, means 50 is terms are there in one AP. If you write for example 1, 2, 3, so on, there are 50. Eighth term is 50. Like this way you have 50 terms, means A1, A2, A3, so on. You have A50 till A50 you have. That may be any value. This A50 value is 106. So 106 is the A50th term. So we can understand like this way, the last term is nothing but A50, because that AP consists of only 50 terms. So the last term will become A50 only. So that have to understand like this way. One some question they will put, it will not be direct question, it is indirect question, but we have to understand that concept. Now you can tell that it is similar to the previous question. So again the two terms are given, A3 and A50 is they have given, we have to find A29. How to find? Similar way, similar thing we have to follow. That is, first we have to take which is given, that is A3 is given. So A3 is equals to, what is A3? So formula you know, An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A3 how to find? So A3 is equals to A plus n is our here 3 minus 1 into D. So A plus 3 minus 1 is how much? 2, that is 2D. So A3 is always, remember, A3 is equals to A plus 2D. Here if you have 3, here it will be 2 only. Now what is that A3 value? A3 value is nothing but 12. So 12 is equals to A plus 2D. Now here if you will glance it correctly, here there are two terms are unknown, that is A is unknown and D is also unknown. So what we have to do for this? We have to substitute this as equation 1. Now we have to move on towards the second one, second part. What is given? A50 is given, the last term. So A50 is equals to A plus how much D? Directly you can write down 1 less than 50, that is 49D. Those who don't know how it got 49, have to substitute the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n value is 50 over here, 50 minus 1 into D. So A plus 50 minus 1 is 49D. So that is A50. A50 is nothing but what? What is the value of A50? A50 is 106. So this is our equation 2. So the continuation part is nothing but we have to take the equation 2 and 1 and we have to find the value of A and D. So equation 2 we will subtract, and equation 1. So equation 2 minus equation 1 we will do. So equation 2 is nothing but 106 is equals to a plus 49d. And next one is equation 1. Equation 1 is nothing but 12 is equals to a plus 2d. Equation 2 and equation 1 are here. That when we will subtract, the sign will automatically change. The positive will become negative, negative will become positive, but here all are positive only, so all will be negative we are going to get. And when you are calculating it, so here 106 minus 12, the new symbol you have to check. So 106 minus 12, what is that? 106 minus 12, it is nothing but 94. So is equals to, and here a plus a it is, and here we got the new symbol that is negative. A plus a minus a is get cancelled, and next one is 49d. In that you have to subtract the 2d, so it will be 47d. So next step is very important. So 94 we have to keep it here only, so that 47 is known thing, only we have to keep the d. We have to shift this 47 on the other side, it will become division, divide by 47. So if you know the calculation you can do. So here we have 94 divided by 47 is equals to d, and obviously 47 ones are 47 twos are. So whenever this type of question will come, it will directly it will cancel. So d value we got as 2. So this is the d value we required. After finding the d value, what we have to do, that is also we have solved already. So we will go for the equation 1 or equation 2 to substitute this d value to find the a value. Okay, now so substitute in equation 1. I will substitute that in equation 1. So substitute d in equation 1. So equation 1 we will substitute. So the equation 1 is 12 is equals to a plus 2d. So 12 as it is, a as it is, but d value we found. How much is the d value? Is the 2. So a plus 2 into 2 is 4. 12 is equals to a plus 4. Now unknown thing is a, so keep that a here only. This 4 I have to shift on the other side. 12 remains as it is. First we have to write 12 as it is, then plus 4 will become minus 4. Remember that 12 first we have to write first, then which one we will shifting, that we have to write. 12 minus 4 is nothing but how much? 8. So already we found d value and now we found a value. So these two are we found, means we can find any other term. At the end we have to find A29, because that is the thing they have told you to find, not A and D. But to find that A29 we required what? A and D. So now we will find the A29. So A29 is nothing but what? A plus 28D you can write. Otherwise those who are not understood, you have to substitute in a formula. A plus n minus 1. N is here 29. So 20 minus 1 into D. So it is nothing but A plus 28D. So A29 we can find using that A plus 28D. Now we know A and D value. Substitute in this. What is the value of A? So here we found A value is nothing but 8 plus 28 into what is the D value? D value is 2. So 8 plus 28 2s is nothing but 56. So 8 plus 56, obviously it is 64. So A29 is nothing but 64. So we found the 29th term of this AP is nothing but 64. That is our answer, final answer. So if you want to find like this way, first any term is given to find. For example, in this question only A29 they have asked you to find. So whenever you need A29, you require the difference, that is common difference, D value, and the first term, that is A value. If you don't know that A and D value, you can't find. In this case they will give the any two terms for you, that is A3, a third term here they have given, that is 12, and they have given the last term, that is 50th term, that is 106. So substitute that A3 and A50, find the answer. It will be in a form of A and D. So see here equation 1 we have, that equation 1 is in terms of A and D, and equation 2 also you can see it is in a form of A and D. Then you have to substitute that equation and subtract it, and after subtracting you are going to get the D value. After finding the D value, equation 1 or equation 2 you have to substitute that D value and you are going to get that A value also. After finding the A and D, you can find any of the terms, that is A29, A30, A100, A1000, which one they will ask you can find. But most importantly, you must know what is the value of A and what is the value of D. So this is all about today's class, that is arithmetic progression, that is exercise 1.2 and 5.2 for NCERT, that is question number 7 and 8. Hope you like this, and please support my channel, that is PSM Perfect Solution for Maths. Please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also comment. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.